Alright, y'all. Welcome back to another video. Today I got a, what year is this again? 05? 05. I got a 05 Infinity G35, and we're gonna be taking these headlights out. As y'all can see, these holes are a little rough, but we got some new babies to put in there. Boom. Yeah, and they got the halos too. I like these. These definitely gonna be bright as hell. All right, so first thing we're gonna do is take these tires off so it's easier. Woo! These thin walls. I gotta get my thin wall socket. All right, got my thin wall socket. One tire. That bit is down, show brand new. Second one. All right, next, we'll take our two screws out here. That's one. All right, damn it, there's one right here and one deeper in there that y'all can't see. There should be 10 millimeters. What kind? You talking about the whole box? Yeah. Should be on this side somewhere. Right there. On the red transmission jack. Interrupting me. I need someone to hold this up. There's nothing metal. Nah, you sure? I can see it. I'll just try to let the camera see it, but once you see one and you in real life and you doing it, you will see the other one that's right next to it. You can't miss it. That one's easy. There's always one. All right, yo. I had to find some shit to hold it real quick. And that hole should just come down. I gotta unplug the fog lights. No?
I don't know.
Okay, this one broke.
Yeah.
I'll probably be able to fix it. I'll probably be able to yeah. All right, we got the bumper off. The bumper is easy to come off. It's not hard. Let's spot the eggs and shit.
Is that like a black
I got gloves. No, it's a different type of spider. I forgot what type of spider it is though. All right, that's the hard part. I'm gonna get the screws out of here. They should be all 10 millimeters too. That bit hard. I like that desert camo on it. That shit hard as fuck. One. Why is everything such a pain in the ass today? I'll get another one. I got some more of those. I'm definitely putting that hole back in there. That was ridiculous. All right, one headlight. Boom. Push our plug. All right. It's a bit heavy. Damn!
It was worse than that. It was.
That caught me off guard.
I never closed it, so when I was driving.
Right, all the water's going in that bed. It's been raining a lot too recently.
Driving through the rain and that flooded.
Yeah.
Here.
Well, we're gonna make sure that these new ones don't be like that. At least this one wasn't a pain in the ass. All right, got them holes out. I'm gonna just change all these bulbs while I'm here, so they'll all be new. Okay, this one look black.
You can fix that, or I might need a new wire harness?
No, I can fix it. Only thing about it is, what I need to fix it, let me see this light bulb real quick. All right, so now we're gonna get our new light. That bit look good. I'm gonna have to adjust these though. Okay, these come with everything I need anyway, so I need none of that shit. I just put some RSX headlights in that's just like these, same exact setup. Yeah, the wiring gets you a little like, damn, do I really want to fuck with this or not?
Is that what they told put on the headlight lid?
Huh? No. It should just be the bulbs, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it should just be the bulbs. All right, y'all, so we got one headlight done, wired up and everything. Turn them on for me. Show y'all how they look real quick. My GoPro had that. Ooh, there they go. Them bitches bright. I want to talk about. It's bright as fuck. Got my HID working. Turn the high beam on real quick. Ooh, high beam on that hoe. All right, you good? Turn signal. Yes, sir. All right. You turn them off. All right, so we got one done. My GoPro had died, so I ain't get to really. Oh, see your shoe. I ain't really get to show y'all all the finished product of that one, but I'm gonna show y'all on this one how to get my big camera. We finna go ahead and start this one real quick. Get this one out of the way.
Yeah, I got excited. I wanted to see what it looked like.
What, headlights?
Yeah.
How long you have them?
They came in Friday.
Oh, okay.
I was in Cali, so I came back.
That was like that working?
On my birthday.
Oh, it's your birthday.
Yeah, yo, appreciate it.
All right, this what y'all got to take out. Let me zoom y'all out, cause y'all looking right in that bit right now. So this is all I got to take out. The HID bulb, the string, and the ballast. You got to get that out of the old one to put it in the new one. But I'm gonna clean this up because it got a lot of dirt and shit in there, so we don't have no issues later on, no sparking or nothing. And then I'll show y'all the next step.
So you gonna set them bowls for later?
Yeah. All right, y'all. So no, what you talking about? I'm putting them in there. I'm not done with this yet. That's why I put it back. All right, y'all. So I got a new one. We got it all cleaned up. That's a little corrosion in there, but that's fine. I got all the water out of there, all the dirt and stuff. So now we're gonna put the hoe back in there and make sure it works. Let's plug this in and see if it works first. We're gonna plug it in and see if it works. And I think there's something missing on here. I still think there's a ground wire missing off the balance that I need to go find. It wasn't on here. Try it now. Yeah. All right, y'all, so come to find out this ballast is bad on this side. So we're just gonna put it back together. And then we already ordered the ballast. And once the new ballast get here, we're just gonna put a new ballast on and then everything should be perfectly fine after that. But yeah, his ballast is bad. But y'all look at him, he wanna do some work so bad. Look at him. He wanna do some work so bad. He been trying to help me ever since he been here. I ain't never know that, dude. Turn lights on now. See how everything pulled up. Ooh, come look at it. When you get that one right there, when you get that ballast, that bit gonna be hard. I probably can't see it that good because the sun out here. I like the little eyebrow. That be a little angry. Yeah, that be hard. Take another picture of that too. Gotta take some photos. All right, y'all. So that's how you do it, baby. I don't know how far my camera recorded, but it had died. But yeah, we done with the bumper. I'm gonna put his two tires on real quick, and we're gonna roll it out. And then I'll do a little sound clip so y'all can hear how it sounds. So y'all can get an idea on how I want my G to sound. All right, y'all. You see that bit? That be gonna be hard as fuck. That wrap used to be hard. You could tell it got a pearlescent in it.
Yeah, it was. That used to hit hard.
Yeah.
It got some big when I was
Yep. That's exactly. Start it up. Oh, you can pull it out. I'll let you pull it out. Y'all want to head to start up? Let me get back here. Let's y'all head to start up on the baby. Cold start because it's been here for about 3 hours. Grab it. I don't fucking talking about right now. All right, y'all, so that's how you do it. I'm gonna end the video here. That's how you do a headlight change on a G35 coupe. Thank y'all for watching. I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace out.